Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing this fine Wednesday? Almost done with the week. Today is April 15th, 2020, 4-15-20. Yay, it's Wednesday. Like I said, you guys are rocking it with your homework this week. You're almost done, so just keep up the good work, okay? Don't forget our friends chit chat this morning. Please wake up if you can. We'll be on there from 9 to 9:30. And a lot of you fellas need to get up. Ethan is tired of being the only boy on there. So please come on there for Ethan, guys. All right, wake up for our friends chit chat at 9 to 9:30. Okay, another reminder, remember we'll do a class check-in at 11:30 to 12 today. So if you have any questions or concerns, or you're stuck on a problem that you're working on today, hop on to Zoom and I will be there and we'll work it together, okay? Also, iStation, I logged on there yesterday and I noticed there's only five of you guys finished your reading iStation. So if you get a chance, please log on to iStation and do your reading test. And then as soon as that blue rectangle or square, whatever shape it is gone, then you can log off, okay? Let's see. Oh, I get to talk with a lot of friends today after our friends chit chat. I'll be talking to Sarai, Matea, Aaron, Olivia, Sean, and Jaylene. So yay! Bring your work that you've done so far this week so you can share it with me, okay? And also bring your book and a notebook, paper, and pencil, just in case, I surprise you and we just work out some problems together, okay? Always come prepared. Okay, so let me put this down right quick and let me go over our one-pagers so everyone is on the right track, okay? Remember, don't skip any of the lessons, okay? They build on top of each other. With speaking to some of you, it is okay however you guys want to plan your days. So a lot of people are doing different things. So if it's easier for you to have, like, say, Monday is for math, Tuesday is for science, and Wednesday is for ELAR, and do all of them all in one day and then do your performance task, that is a-okay. Or you can do lessons 1 and 2 on one day and then lessons 3 and 4 on the next day and then have your performance task on day 3. This is very flexible. It is whatever works for your schedule, okay? Just make sure those performance tasks get sent in to me by Friday, so that way it gives me enough time to give you feedback, and then I have to submit my paperwork up to the school, okay? So let's go through this. This one is math. So we're on lesson 3 today on math. Mr. Kuhn has another video for you guys to watch. And I had someone have a problem with the link. So if you have a problem with getting onto the link, just shoot me an email and I will help you through that. And then you are going to finish your math problem on here. Also, I had another student get confused when it says right down here on the bottom, this is write your number sentence. Okay, so after you're done working the part whole, what that means is to write your number sentence is simply a fancy way of saying, now write it in an equation. So you would write, just on the top of my head, 6 plus 4 equaled 10, right? You used all the numbers that were in your part whole box. That's all that means, is just now whatever part whole problem you were working with, now just write it in an equation, okay? So that's simply what that means, all right? And then for reading, you have another video to watch Miss Kuhano go a little bit more into detail of reading the book and then actually talking about the character and a character trait and examples from the book. So this one's a big one, you guys. When you're practicing ELAR, one, if you go back onto ClassTag and you look under our lessons link, I included another PDF that you can use as a tool. This isn't to be used as your quiz, but it's a tool you can use to help organize your thoughts and make sure you get everything you're supposed to, so you can take those to go and write me sentences. okay? So she's really gonna show you an example of how you take a character, figure out a character trait that she is or he is showing in the story, and then always backing it up with examples from the book. So for instance, if she's talking about, just say for, I'm gonna use Emma. One day Emma was skipping through the playground and all of a sudden she heard a real loud banging noise and got scared. Okay, so a character trait would say Emma, because she's a character, so I'm gonna name my character. I'm not just gonna say she, I'm gonna say Emma felt scared or is scared. Okay, now give me an example. What was my example? She felt scared because she heard a loud booming sound in the background and went and hid. Okay, so always name the character, give the example, the trait, and then back it up with any example that you found while reading or listening to a story, okay? Make it a complete thought. Don't just say, he was funny. Well, give me an example. How was he funny? Okay, you know I like juicy gossip. You know I like it, so give it to me. Don't make me ask for it and beg. Okay, so that's what you're doing. Just more practice with Miss Quijano. Science. Ooh, this one's fun. I hope you guys enjoy this. This one's fun. You'll click on the link. We're on lesson 3. You'll click on the link. You will listen to Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, and then after you're done, you'll need a piece of paper and pencil. Now you might need to re-watch and pause the story if you need to. So you are going to list all the body parts that Little Red mentions about her grandmother, okay? So be paying close attention when the story gets to the part where she's like, oh, grandmother, what? Big eyes, what? Big teeth, you know. Those are the examples I'm talking about. And then you also so you'll write, for example, big eyes. And then what does that mean? How did that help the wolf? Okay, so you're listing all the external characteristics that Little Red Riding Hood notices about and says, then you give me the reason of how that characteristic helps the wolf either live, walk, or eat. Okay, please, if you can, write these in complete sentences, okay? I know this is getting really hard and everything like that, but what we practice is what our brain is remembering. So we gotta do this full out, okay? Just like I would make you if we were in our classroom, right? If you came up to my desk and you handed me a one-worded word on your piece of paper, what do you think? What kind of look do you think Miss Nelson's gonna give you? And then I'm gonna go, and I'm gonna do this thing, means turn around, go back, and write it in a complete sentence. Capital letter, punctuations, nice spacing. Write what you're thinking, okay? You write what you think. So you wouldn't just say, eyes. No, you would say, Little Red Riding Hood said the wolf had big eyes. Big eyes help the wolf what? I won't finish that sentence, you finish it, okay? But you get my drift. Don't just write one word, all right? What you practice is what's gonna stick up here, and we wanna do it the right way, right? Because you guys are super smart. You're about to be second graders, okay? So pretty easy, fun day. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, you know how to reach me. I love you guys. I miss you tons and bunches and big hugs. And I hope to see as many of you as I can at our Friends Chit Chat at 9 o'clock. Bye.